Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really does help on my channel, and your support would be greatly appreciated. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, if you guys are new, I just want to say a disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are sitting at that $1 trillion mark once again. Something really nice seeing, but we're still not out of the woods just yet. BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 42.6%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, in the last 24 hours, you guys can see we are seeing some major green across the board within the markets. But just a few hours ago, guys, we saw some massive flash crash happen within the cryptocurrency market once again. We saw the price of Bitcoin hit $20,120, but since then we have retraced quite significantly. So that's something to keep in mind. But even though we are seeing some nice rebounds happening within the markets, it's still not time to get too excited right now because we're not out of the woods just yet, or not even close to being out of the woods as of now. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin that has been doing quite well, especially since the markets have recovered somewhat since that 20K retest. And that coin is none other than Elrond. All right, my Elrond family, if we are looking at the price of Elrond right now, it is currently trading at $55.42. Currently ranked at the top 44 spot in the cryptocurrency market ranking, up 22.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 18.2% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours with a market cap of $1.25 billion and the 24-hour trading volume of $130 million. And zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, it's not a surprise. It is down 40% along with the overall markets. But in the last 24 hours, like I mentioned, it is up 22.4%. So we'll definitely take that. But if we are comparing since all-time lows, guys, it's still up 753%. So let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices for Elrond. But before we jump into the charts, the exciting stuff, and see where is Elrond price going in the immediate short term, I just want to say that this video is brought to you by Crypto.com. If you guys don't know what Crypto.com it is the world's fastest growing crypto app. Literally, it is, without a doubt, the world's fastest growing crypto app. You can join 50 million plus users that are buying and selling 250 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. You can spend with the Crypto.com Visa card and get up to 5% back. Grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14.5% on your crypto assets. This app is a one-stop shop. Literally, guys, it can be downloaded on the two major platforms, the Apple platform, which is the App Store if you have an iOS device, and the Google Play Store if you have an Android device. One-stop shop. Literally, you can do everything on this app, anything from converting your fiat to crypto back onto the prepaid Visa card, which you can spend anywhere Visa is accepted, which is literally everywhere around the world at this point. And I really like that prepaid Visa card, guys, because you can top up with fiat or crypto and there's no annual fees at all. So check it out. Use the link in the description box below. You will get $25 when you register. So please go check it out. If you use my link, you help out the channel as well. But now let's jump right into the price of Elrond and see where is the price going and where could we be going in the immediate short term. So right away, guys, you guys can see the price of Elrond just a few weeks ago was in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and we broke below that for the first time ever on May 7th and never had a rebound back in above this level of resistance, which is at the $123 mark. And since then, it has been a downwards trend. But today, guys, you guys can see Elrond made some nice move, nice rebounds within its price, especially over the last 24 hours after we had that flash crash for Bitcoin. We did see Elrond rebound very, very quickly. If I am bringing out the measuring tools to give you guys a better understanding as to how much Elrond has pulled down since its all-time highs, since all-time highs, it has pulled down 90%. And this 90% can shake a lot of people. A lot of people can get very, very scared. And definitely it could be a very scary time, especially if you were buying back around those levels. And not, taking profits. This might be a very, very scary time. But, we need to look at the board, the overall cryptocurrency market board. Literally 98% of the altcoins, even more, are down 90 to 89% from their all-time highs. But look at the 1 hour time frame. This does not look as bad, but obviously the picture is still the same as I showed you earlier on the daily time frame. We still have pulled down 90%. But today, guys, we saw the price of Elrond go down to $38. I'm sorry, not today. We saw this price go down when the price of Bitcoin initially dropped. But look at this rebound, guys. If you picked up some EGLD token around this $38 price point, you're already up. Well, let's bring out the measuring tool for you guys. You're already up 44.8% in just a matter of 2 days. Just a matter of 2 days. But one thing to keep in mind right now that I really like seeing is the fact that the price of EGLD is above this level of resistance at that $53.62 mark. And this level of resistance is very, very important for the price of Elrond because you guys can see it dates way, way back to last June, which was literally a year ago, and most importantly, back last year at the beginning of this year. So this is a major, major level of resistance, and right now it is playing as a level of support for us, which it should be, as it should. And that's definitely what I want to see happen for the price of Elrond right now. Seeing the price stay above this level of resistance is definitely a bullish sign, but the overall price of Bitcoin should not be ignored right now. If the Bitcoin price retraces once again below that $20,000 mark, which is very, very possible right now, we could see the price of Elrond go down once again and see even newer lows for this year. The price of Bitcoin saw it hit $20,000 today, guys, for the first time ever since 2020. So it has been quite some time since we've seen these price levels. But look what has happened. The price of Bitcoin has recovered back to $22,200 price point. And you guys know Crypto ZX has been talking about this price level for the Bitcoin price over the past 3 to 4 days since it really hit. This is how important this level really is for the price of Bitcoin. And it's very impressive to see that we have rebounded and closed above that before the day has ended. So, that's definitely nice seeing. But that does not mean it's exciting times right now. Absolutely not. Exciting times would mean for the price of Bitcoin to go back to $28,906 and get back past it. That's where excitement really will build up. Until then, we're not out of the woods as of now. So Elrond, if the price of Bitcoin goes back to that $28,000 price point, as I mentioned, I can see it start going back towards this major level of resistance at the $121 price point. And if this level of resistance breaks, guys, then we're back to the 61.8 and things can really start getting exciting. But still, right now, we still have quite a bit of ways to get back to that price point. If I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, the next level of resistance, the major level of resistance is still quite some ways away, 131% away if you buy right now. Buying right now does not mean that you're buying absolute bottoms. Definitely not true. We could see the price of Elrond pull below once again, as I have mentioned, because of the fact that Bitcoin is still at some very, very critical price levels. But overall, guys, if you are a believer on Elrond's price, and I'm sorry, not price, if the project itself, you have done your due diligence and research and have invested what you can afford to lose, and you want a dollar cost average in and make your overall holdings bigger, now might be the time rather than picking up while it was at $553. So you guys get the picture as to what I'm trying to say. But overall, in the last 24 hours, very, very impressive moves happening with the price of Elrond. I do see the momentum continuing if the price of Bitcoin does not have too much volatility within its price. BTC dominance, on the other hand, is going to help it as well. 45.36%. Money is flowing back from Bitcoin to altcoins, so that is also a plus point. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Let me know what you guys think and where you could see the price of Elrond go at the end of this month. And let me know if you guys want me to cover Elrond more often on my channel. And stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX.